Are you looking for the best laptops for programming? In this video we will look at some of the 4 best laptops for programming market. Before we get started with our video,
we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range.
Starting at number 1. Asus VivoBook F510 UA laptop. This Windows 10 is the best laptop for programming and comes with a fast 8th Gen Intel Core i5 processor offering 1.6 GHz with up to 3.4 GHz turbo boost, useful for compiling code. It has 8 GB of fast RAM and benefits from an internal terabyte hard drive along with 128 GB worth of SSD storage. It's especially handy for those working off external drives, as is often the case when taking work with you. This Asus VivoBook laptop includes USB-C, USB 3.0, USB 2.0, and HDMI ports. For those working with web development applications or UX design, the VivoBook's Nano Edge display is helpful as well, letting you fine-tune the color reproduction and view graphics in HD 1920x1080. Thanks to the minimal bezel, the 15.6-inch display fits in a frame sized more like a 14-inch laptop. This is also one of the best laptops for photo editing. Number 2. Lenovo IDPad 130s laptop. This Lenovo IDPad, which ranks as one of the best laptops for programming, may not be the fanciest or most high-powered laptop on the market today, but for on-the-go programmers and students working on coding projects, it may be all you need. Especially appealing as a backup or second, more portable companion to a larger laptop or desktop workstation, the IDPad 130s benefits from a comfortable keyboard with plenty of travel, a lightweight only a little over 2 lbs, frame, and the ability to run Windows 10. Plus, this iteration of the IDPad comes with a year's subscription to Office 365, a useful tool for office work and school work alike. While it will work just fine for basic coding tasks and writing HTML or CSS files, this notebook is somewhat more limited when it comes to CPU speed and display resolution than some of the best laptops for programming on our list. The screen tops out at 1366 x 768 vs the full HD 1920 x 1080 screen you get with the Fusion 5, our number 2 pick. Another caveat is that this laptop comes with Windows 10 set by default in S mode, which limits the applications it will run. In order to exit S mode, you have to download, free, settings from the Windows Store. But if you are asking yourself where to buy, read about the best place to buy a laptop. Number 3. Asus VivoBook 15 laptop. This laptop represents a good compromise for students, web coders, and other developers who need some flexibility and decent CPU power, and is a great laptop for coding. But it comes at a price somewhere between that of Chromebooks and higher-end full-featured laptops. It has AMD's 3.6 GHz R series processor and Vega 8 integrated graphics card, which should allow it to run Flash and JavaScript development programs, though it's not as dedicated as with the graphics card on the Dell Inspiron 7000 Gaming Edition, our number 4 pick. Speaking of video cards, read our best gaming laptop video card list. The screen is much improved over the previous generation of this Asus laptop model. Now including the Nano Edge feature which makes the display take up a larger than usual portion of the frame, it gives you 1920 x 1080 resolution and offers multiple eye strain reducing modes. It includes a USB-C port, however, it doesn't support external video through this port. While it's faster and has more built-in flash storage than the netbooks on our list, like our number 3 pick, the Lenovo IDPad 130s, the VivoBook 15 is not as robust with its cooling capacity or as easy to upgrade in terms of RAM as our number 4 pick, the Dell Inspiron 7000 Gaming Edition. Speaking of gaming, read about the best gaming laptop under $1,500. Number 4. Dell Inspiron 15 7000 Series Gaming Edition 7567 laptop. Cheaper than most on our list, At almost 6 LP 5 processor isn't the latest generation hard drive, not as fast as a solid-state drive. While designed for gaming, this Dell laptop has plenty of specs that will be useful for programmers as well. First, it offers a dedicated graphics card, rare at this price range, that helps preserve CPU performance and should allow you to, say, edit a text file smoothly while a graphics project is going in the background. It's also decently upgrade-friendly since unlike with some smaller laptops like the Apple MacBook Air, it has at least one slot for extra RAM, so you can easily go to 16 GB. It also has more serious built-in cooling than most laptops, which may come in handy when asking it to render or validate code. On the downside, this is one of the heavier laptops and its 6 pounds of weight can be a chore to lug around. It does, however, have up to 9 hours of battery life, and a 15.6-inch anti-glare display with 1920x1080 resolution. Plus, the backlit keyboard is great for seeing what you're doing when it comes to coding tasks. If you are considering this laptop for college, our best upcoming laptops for college students will help.